My new car! Yeah! This is my car! Go. Easy. Don't break my back. This was a big pass, man.
Congratulations, man. I celebrate you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Guys, I want to be singing congratulations in the comment section. Congratulations in the comment section. I'm so happy. This is brand new car. This is brand new car. You know, say I've been using, it was the first time I'm using before. I've never used this kind of car before. This guy be past me. God. This is brand new car. Lee1. This brand new car, guys. Watch. Bengali, if you can see this video, thank you, brotherly. Powerfully, thank you.
Sound.
W. This car needs, guys. This car needs. Forget. Make them take this car, or make them offload this car. Make I check this car very well. If you see the interior, of this car, you go shout. Money is good, though. Money, wherever you are watching this video, wherever you are watching it, God will bless you. You buy your own car this year by the grace of God, because this car is mad. If they offload this car, if you see the interior, you go know say money is good. Where is the key of this car?
To the kingdom. Yes, sir. Respect.
I don't collect you for this car. See, if you want my fencer, just say congratulations. Comment congratulations to you. Trinity, I want your fencer. I want to give that fencer out. I want your fencer. I don't collect brand new car key now. Hey!
But make this man launch him motor. You go hard now when he don't come down. Before you go give him. What you going launch? You know they?
They told me that now this guy go drive the car out. I didn't think this guy that be sabi drive for, because I don't want wahala. This guy will go buy a new car from you if the car hits anywhere. I don't want wahala. I'm so happy, guys. See the lights, see everywhere. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. They don't start the car. Let me stop this thing. Listen to the normal video so that you will know that okay, they start the car and it's not giving any sound. It be like say this car no get and now soft sound this car gets. God.
Just they come. Small, I beg you. They come.
Small. I like the way they
Come down.
Small, I beg you. Come back here.
They come. Come. Everything don't.
Now the same leg.
Hey.
He's coming.
Small. He gets expensive.
Come.
Easy. Don't break my back.
Hello.
Don't break my back. Oh my God, leave for the living. Oh no, live for the living.
Okay, when I don't video me, I pay. When I don't pay,
Let's go.
Please for the living. It is a nice one to do.
Start.
Congratulations, my brother.
What now the car?
I will slap you. You don't need track. You don't pass. You get pass now.
Allah.
Do me something.
Oh no.
What you go do? This car big pass me.
Oh no.
This motor big pass me.
Give me, I big pass you.
So what you go do now? Now this one abi?
Yes now. Yeah, drive.
Reverse.
Why you drive level?
Huh?
Reverse level.
Ah. 360 oh.
Oh no.
Everything is just soft. Oh my god. What's up now? See, everything is soft. Kai.
For cream, no, they give only key.
Congratulations on your best.
Scream for your dream. You don't get car now. Where they move like scream.
Oh man.
Brother.
Do you hear anything? Do you hear any sound?
No sound, my guy. No sound. Clean.
Bastard road. The bunch. God bless you. God bless you, the bunch.
What do you talk?
God bless you, the bunch. God bless you.
Cream platform.
Can you show the cream?
I want to buy a share.
You know, say camera full everywhere. My guy, it isn't only by camera there.
Camera, they show
Camera
360
dey front,
of the car.
They're everywhere.
Come on, 360 camera.
You don't get electric car. It means this car don't start like this as you no get sound.
The back door.
Soft touch, Baba, soft touch. Soft touch. Nobody say you go gym before you open up.
Sit down.
You sleep. I wait. My pillow remain. From there.
Second one.
Guys, see the interior. Have you ever seen kind of car wey get this kind of interior before? See the full interior of dashboard. See interior. Hey, this brand new car. Don't forget about it. Brand new car. See, whatever you are watching this video, I'm praying for you today. God will provide for you. Whatever you want in your life, God will provide for you. God will provide for you. See, this car they surprised me this morning because I don't know that this car is coming this morning. See, that's how God will surprise you. Help me comment, help me share, help me like, help me share this video. Let everybody see it and congratulate me. If you want everybody, God, this don't finish. Share this video, let's go.
This is electric. This is the petrol and that's the electric. This is the petrol and this is